This is Sea Dragon calling BTS requesting navigation guidance. Over.
Dragon, this is BTS. Affirmative. What's your position and destination? Over.
BTS, this is Sea Dragon. We are 2 nautical miles from the sea eastern buoy, heading to Port Terminal 3. Over.
Sea Dragon, BTS here. Be advised, there are heavy traffic in the area. Recommended and altering course to avoid congestion. Suggest taking the western lane. Over.
BTS, Sea Dragon, roger that. Altering course to western lane. Request confirmation on traffic ahead. Over.
Sea Dragon, BTS affirmative. There's a tanker, Energy Star, 1 nautical mile ahead in the western lane. He's making 12 knots. Over.
BTS, Sea Dragon. Thank you for update. We'll adjust speed accordingly. Out.
Dragon, BTS here. Safe navigation. Out.